Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video. It's all about my Ipsy bag for the month of February. So if you want to see what I received in my February Ipsy bag, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I got my Ipsy bag finally, because it's almost towards the end of the month. And yes, but I finally got it. But I'm excited to open it and see what's inside. But if you do not know what Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription bag where you get 4 to 5 sample size products of beauty products. So this is my very first subscription bag that I ever got. So I'm kind of like, I love her, but I don't know if I'm going to cancel her or not because I do have some other ones and so forth. But I really do love getting this bag. So we'll see what this month is like. And I'll make my decision at the end of this video if I'm going to keep on going with this subscription bag or if I'm going to go on and, you know, call it a wrap and stick with my other ones where I get full-size products. So if you haven't seen those videos, I have them linked down. I have them linked above and down below in the description box throughout the video so you can check them out. But let's go on and get started. So this is the bag that it comes in. We're going to get it open, okay? Let's open her. Y'all know I like opening everything. Ooh, I am loving the bag for this month. It's velvety. It is definitely not like the bag that I got in my Glam Plus box for this month. It is similar color, but it is not velvety. As you can see, it is more of a pleather type deal because I don't think it's real leather. But yeah, this is really, really nice. And I like that they did that this month because usually they put the same Ipsy bag in your Ipsy Glam Plus box and so forth, and in the Ultimate. So I'm glad that they are switching it up so you don't have, when people have more than one subscription with Ipsy, you're not getting 3 or 2 of the same bags in the same month. So I thought that was really, really cool. But yes, let's open it up. It's so soft, you guys. So this month's theme is Feel the Love because you know it is February. And this is a little card that lets you know about the products, which I don't never read unless I have to, okay? So we're going to go on and get it started what's in the bag. So first up, this is, ooh, if I can read it, Mischo Beauty. It's a nail lacquer, and this is in, what shade is this? Lacquer of Love. So let's open it up. It looks like it's a purple shade. Ooh, it's a pretty bottle, and it is a purple shade, and I love purple shadows because y'all know purple is one of my favorite colors. So yes, this is really, really pretty. Look at that. And the gold detailing, like that is super cute. I want y'all to see the name. But yes, this is cute. Let's open her. Ooh, let's open it up. Super pretty. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely going to be playing with this. About to put this on my toes tonight. Next up, we have, this is by Tarte. This is the Sex Kitten liquid liner. Ooh, Sex Kitten. You can't go wrong with the liner. I did get a liner in my other, in my Ipsy Glam Plus box this month. So, hey. And I haven't tried this liner from Tarte. Right now, I am using the Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black. That's what I'm using right now. And I like it. I've been playing more with these liquid liners because I'm usually a gel liner gal, but I've been playing more with liquid liners, so I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it. Next up, this is by Pure. It is a 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie long wear foundation and concealer, and this is in DG6. So this is a sample size of some foundation plus concealer, which that's nice because that means, to me, that means it should be full coverage, and I like full coverage. So we'll try that out. And it says it's in shade DG6. So let's open it up and see if it got my shade right, because you know you do the little tester and stuff, and it does look like it's going to be my shade because it kind of looks like the Fit Me. So this is the shade right here, and it looks kind of like the Fit Me by Maybelline, the shade that I get from them. So I'm just gonna rub it right there on my hand, and let's see if it blends in really nicely. And I think it does. What do you guys think? I think it blends in real good. I think that is my skin tone. And I think it did cover up really good. I mean, you know, look at that. It's like my hand looks flawless compared to this hand. You see that? So yeah, I'm excited to try this on my face and see how I like it, you know, and how it works on the face. Next up, this is by City Limits. Is it City Limits? No. It's by IBY Beauty, if I'm saying that correctly. And it says City Limits. And it just says Lush Eyeshadow Headliner. IBY Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades. Infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. So, this is the packaging. It's really, really pretty. It's, you know, purple and pink, which I think that's cute. And for a sample size, I mean, come on now, eyeshadow, that lasts a long time. So, it is a sample size, as you see, but that's not bad. And this is in Headliner, is the shade name. It says it's made in China, and the company is LA based. Ooh, this is pretty. It's kind of like a neutral shimmer, a brown shimmer tone. So this is Headliner. So let's just, ooh, when they said creamy and buttery, they were not lying. I like that feeling. So let's just run that down my arm. And that looks really, really good. Y'all see that? I think I might wear this tomorrow because that is pretty. That is cute. That's something that I will wear on a regular basis. That's really, really pretty. This Ibby eyeshadow, and it's really creamy and buttery. Ooh, I never used their products or even heard of this brand because, I mean, there's so many beauty brands out there and makeup brands out there. I mean, you know, I don't know them all, I'm going to be honest. But this shade is really, really pretty. It looks good. I think I'm going to rock this tomorrow. And, honey, this is one of those shades you can rock by itself. You don't need to do anything else. So, last but not least, I have, this is by the Saem, if I'm saying that right. Perfumed Hand Essence Magnolia. And this is just so cute. Like, and then look, it's just kind of different. I don't know. But yeah, it says the Saem Perfume Hand Essence Magnolia. The perfume hand essence with an elegant magnolia fragrance makes your hands feel smooth, soft, as the moisturizing essence in the is absorbed quickly into the skin. So it says how to use after washing and drying hands. Dispense an appropriate amount and gently apply all over hands. So this is nice, and I am getting older, so you know we gotta keep those hands looking right. You know, them hands, that neck. You know what I'm talking about? We gotta keep it looking right. So I'm excited to try this out. And let's just smell it. And I just think it's different that how they have the tube. I don't know if that is like an error, a factory error, a packaging error, or what. But the tube is like this. Normally it would be like this with the writing. But as you can see, the writing would be upside down. So just gonna squeeze a little in my hand, and it does look like lotion. It is a little runny, not too runny, but as you can see, and she smells really good. Definitely like Magnolia, so I like that. And oh yes, this is nice and definitely absorbs in the skin quickly. Soft. It feels really good rubbing in. So I'm definitely excited to try this out and see what it does over time. And I think since it's an essence, you can put something over it. So I would probably use this and then lotion my hands. But if you want to keep that Magnolia scent, just lotion your hands with something that's non-scented. But it definitely smells good, and it's very, very soft. So I'm intrigued to try this out and see how it does over time. But yes, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag for this month. I think it was a good bag, and I'm probably going to go on and keep it, even though it's $12 a month, because they did go up. And it is sample size products, but I did get some good products, because for this to be a sample size, this Essence, that's a really nice sample size. And then eyeshadow, you can't beat a sample size of eyeshadow, because come on, eyeshadow lasts a long time. And they got it right for me, boo, because this is a shade that I would love to wear on an everyday basis. Can't wait to try it out. And I love purple, so I can't wait to try this nail polish out on my toes and see how we do. And then you can't go wrong with a Tarte liquid eyeliner, and this is in Sex Kitten. And liquid eyeliners last for a while, even though I don't even think it says it's a sample size, but I don't know. I think this is more than, yeah, it's a sample, so you could probably get a longer one, but I think this is really, really nice to have. And the sample of the foundation, pure foundation, I think this is great because I can try it out and see how my face likes it. And if my face likes it, then I can go out there and buy the actual foundation instead of, you know, spending my coins and buying something that my face may not agree with, or I might not like the coverage and so forth. So I love getting sample sizes of foundation so I can try out different ones. But that is it, you guys. That's all I have for this video. That's everything I got in this in my February Ipsy bag. So I'm definitely going to keep the subscription box because I loved everything that I got in the bag. And even plus the bag was so cute. They did it so right this month. But yes, I'm super pleased with everything that I got. I'll have a link down in the description box of the prices of the items and so forth, and the total cost of the Ipsy bag for $12. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.